Was much full. So in this video we are going to get the tutorial of what we are going to learn. We are going to get the tutorial of C++ in VS Code. Let's start our video by opening the C++ program in our VS Code. So if you don't have seen our previous video, so don't forget to see the previous video, and this is day 2 of 15 video in one day. So we are going to make 15 video in second day 2. So let's go. Here you can see there we go the next we will create a 2.cpp like this, and then what I will do, I will close this one and I will write what the basic things. In this video we are going to learn strings. What are strings? I will tell you. Strings are basically used for storing any letter or any word. For example, hello world is a string. So what I will do, I will show you how it's a string. It's a string by wait. I will write a word hash include, and then I will write a IST stream give the space, and then write a using name space std like this, and then write a int main and function int main, and then we are going to know how to create a string. There will be not int a, there will be string a, and then what I will do, a equal to subhan, and if I run it, so what will be the answer? We will see it. Let's wait for it. It will be come in 30 to 40 seconds. So that this is a string. Wait, what happened? Okay, there will be a return. Return like this, and Control Alt N. The terminal is run again. Wait. And constant string. Okay, we will copy this and put it. Wait, Control Z. While so finish the const. Write here code starting arrow A. Run it again. Let's go with return 1. Wait. One D run, one exit status. Open anyway in text editor. Wait, what is this? What I will do, I will close it and run it again. Or that could be how. Simply copy this and put it like this. Save it and Control Alt N. I will wait for the answer. It's running, but we will wait. I will wait for it. As you can see, it's running. After running, we will see the results. So basically, as you can see, there we go the Subhan. So basically, what is this? If I write this not here, if I write this CLS, that will be work. Simply I am going to close it. Close it. And now what I will write here what? Hash include string. Like this, save it. And if the string a equal to, so we can do what? If that's a, so we can do like this too. String. So now if I do it like this, a equal to not, we have to write a string a equal to Subhan. So if I show you what in the numbers in the string, so basically if I write here int b equal to 12, and there will be int c equal to 12, and then write a quote b plus c. After running this, you have to write a return 0 like this and run it again. We will wait. Like, there you go, the Subhan. Wait, what will I do? I will finish this, and what I will do, I will create here word d in, wait, we have to create in d2, and I will write here d equal to b plus c, and I will run the d here. So Control Alt N, run. You can see it's running. Let's wait for it. So there will be the answer, like 12 plus 12. Wait, we are done the include string, that goes, and finish the string. Only we are going to run this 1 2 3 and run it again. I will wait for the running meant when that will be run, so we will able to see the answer of C double plus. So basically I have to tell this, if that is in brackets like this, so there will be what? No, there will be string like this and string, so that there will be the answer what? String. And so the answer is going to be what? 12 plus 12. The answer will be 1 2 1 2. So that's the strings. So if I want to connect the strings, what I will do, I will create here string A, and there will be A equal to Subhan, and there will be one more string B equal to Farooq, and if I run it, how? Not, first of all I have to create one more, and C equal to A plus B brackets plus. that will be like this. Like this, and code C, run it. Let's see the answer. Basically the answer will be Suhan Farooq. Let me wait for it. So basically these are all of the tricks we had learned, so you can see. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.